Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility, monitor specs, cable type, and GPU driver currency. Once checked, open the GPU control panel as administrator and navigate to the custom resolutions or display settings page. Now create a new entry and enter your target resolution and refresh rate. Don't worry about timings yet. Make sure to name it clearly so you can identify it later. This first step gets you into the configuration flow quickly so you can iterate safely. Once you've created the entry, focus on accurate timing and stability. Choose a timing standard like CVTRB or manual if you need precise control. Adjust pixel clock, front/back porch, and sync widths only when necessary. Small changes matter. After saving, test the mode. Apply it for 10-15 seconds to confirm the monitor accepts it. If it fails, revert and change one parameter at a time. This careful iteration prevents display glitches and narrows down the exact values that work. You're now ready to apply and finalize. Set the custom resolution as preferred or assign it to an application profile. Test across scenarios, desktop, full-screen video, and games to confirm scaling and UI legibility. If everything looks stable, save a backup profile and export settings if the tool allows. If problems arise, first revert to the previous safe mode, then lower pixel clock or choose a more conservative timing. That single troubleshooting tip: undo and reduce one parameter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.